Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Cakes are something that I personally love and I always like to experiment with new ingredients. Today I'm going to share a lovely cake recipe with all of you. This is apple cinnamon cake. We're going to use fresh apples and it's going to have this lovely cinnamon flavor in it. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 2 large apples. Peel off the skin, chop them into pieces and transfer them to a bowl. Now we're going to coat the apples with sugar and cinnamon. Add about 3 tablespoons of sugar, that's roughly about 40 grams. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Just mix the pieces with the sugar and cinnamon powder. Make sure it's all well coated and keep this aside. To make the cinnamon swirl, to a bowl add 150 grams of light brown sugar. Next add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. To this add about 110 grams of unsalted melted butter. Just mix everything together and keep it aside. Mix everything well so that it's all well combined. So the mixture for the cinnamon swirl is ready. Keep this aside. Now we're going to get the wet ingredients ready. To a bowl, take 2 large eggs. Whisk it lightly and keep it aside. To a large bowl, add about 200 grams of white granulated sugar. Next add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. To this add 300 ml of whole milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. Now mix everything together using a whisk. Once the sugar is kind of dissolved, add the egg mixture and whisk again. To this I'm going to add 110 grams of unsalted melted butter. After you've added the melted butter, whisk nicely so that it's all well combined. Now the wet ingredients are ready for the cake batter. To a large bowl, we're going to sieve the flour and the baking powder together. Add about 360 grams of MAIDA, that is all-purpose flour. Add about 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Sieve the ingredients into a bowl. Now pour the wet ingredients into the flour. And mix everything well using a whisk. You can also use a spatula to do this. Using a whisk worked better for me. Mix everything well so that it's all well combined. Now add the cinnamon coated apple pieces into the batter and mix everything well. Now the cake batter is ready. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. I've lined a baking tray. This is an 8 by 12 inch tray. Transfer the cake batter into the tray. Spread it out evenly. Now add a dollop of the cinnamon swirl mixture on top of the batter. So you can see, make sure you space it out in such a way that you can make a swirl on top. Using a fork, gently pull it on all sides. You can see how beautiful the swirls are. So once you've done this, place the tray into the oven and bake for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. So after 40 minutes, let's take a look at the cake. Wow, the apple cinnamon cake looks absolutely delicious. The aroma is just amazing. I love this beautiful cinnamon flavor. You can see how beautifully it's baked. Now I can't actually wait to take a bite of that cake. Once the cake is completely cooled off, you can cut it into squares. I'm just adding a simple sugar glaze on top before serving it. This is optional. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious, soft and moist and warm apple cinnamon cake that's really perfect for any time. You can bake it in minutes. It's so simple, just follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So if you do want to store it for a longer period of time, make sure you refrigerate it. Because we're using fresh apples, you don't want to leave the cake outside for too long. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. That apple cinnamon cake looks absolutely gorgeous, and let me tell you, the flavors are just incredible. Now this is a great and simple cake that you can bake anytime. I'm sure everyone at home will love it. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.